around here, right here. Okay. So we're still down in Florida in Kissimmee. The city's called Kissimmee, Florida. A little bit outside Orlando, Florida. So we want to give you some education and knowledge. And remember, if you're new to the channel, we only do real estate. We only talk about the tax sales, particular people, properties that have not paid their property taxes. It doesn't matter if it's houses, condos, townhomes, land, commercial buildings. It doesn't make a difference. It's basically properties that are tax delinquent, tax defaulted, and then you're able to buy the lien when they have it at the auction, or you're able to acquire the property if they don't pay the taxes. So it's a good opportunity. It's a great way that you can get into the real estate business at very little amount of money, do it on a national basis, and decide if you want to do a lien auction, if you want to do a deed auction, okay? So I always tell people, remember that on the lien auction, you can wait. You're going to wait. You're going to wait 2 years, 3 years, 4 years for the lien to maybe convert to a deed. That's the bottom line. But on a auction that is a deed auction, you're going to own the property right now. So the deed auction is that you're going to own the property right now. And you've got to understand that too, that if you're going to be doing joint ventures, if you're going to be doing anything at all with other people, okay, that you fully have to understand that what? A deed auction is going to be more stressful than a lien auction. Because one, you got to come up with the money right now. You're going to own the property right now. And the amount of money you're going to invest is way higher than a lien auction or redeemable deed auction. It's going to be way higher, okay? You got to comprehend that. And most people don't. They all say, oh yeah, I'm ready for the deed auction. And then when it comes to board, they get all nervous, they're so paranoid, and they don't do their homework properly. And so they want to know why certain things didn't work out on the deed auction. And that's why you, as a tax sale investor, really have to do some homework, okay? And motel. Yeah, so anyways, what I tell people here, this is a very important thing. I only talk about tax lien, deed, and redeemable deeds. That's it. I don't talk about politics. I don't talk about sport. I talk about entertainment. I don't talk about scary stuff, murder stuff. I don't even get into that, and I don't want to get into that, okay? So remember that when you go to certain people's channels, certain people are only going to talk about certain things. And then if you don't like the channel, just go on to another channel that might be into your category that you like, okay? And that's the important thing is you who are following us on YouTube is you know the category you like. And if you don't like real estate, because that's the category we're in, then you say, okay, I'm not going to go into this. I'm not going to go to this channel. I'll keep scrolling to find somebody else live that has a different type of information on their channel. Okay, and that's the thing there. Okay, so these are people who do not pay their property taxes. Tax collector will send out a bill. You got to pay your taxes, your property taxes at a certain time. If not, you'll have a penalty. And then after so much time, they'll either have a lien auction or they'll sell the property. That's what they'll basically do. Lien auction or they'll sell the property. So in my situation here, I only focus on properties that they have not paid their taxes. Remember that. I only focus on properties that do not pay the property taxes. And you shift through enough of them, you're going to find some good deals. You will. You'll find some good deals, and you try to do it maybe before the auction, or if you buy it at the auction, you just wait till at the auction, and you do your homework. But most people don't. Okay? Most people don't. And that's the hard thing about it. We're the tax sale master. You watch our channel. We're on Instagram. We're on Facebook. We're on TikTok. We're on YouTube. And then we're joined on LinkedIn too. And that's the important part that we have to understand is what? Tax sales. People who don't pay their property taxes. People who don't pay their property taxes. And remember, property taxes is on a national basis. You can do it in any state you want. You can do it in multiple states you want. That's your choice. I always tell people, I said, look, it doesn't matter what you buy. People are too vaccinated in one little town, or one little county, and they want to know why their income is capped every single year. Okay? That's the key. So, we hope you've enjoyed some little education there. Tax sales, lien deed and redeemable deeds, and that's about it. Okay? Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.